Earlier this week, 2 days ago to be precise, I published my second collection of poems entitled Hope Ħakkiema tal-Lejl. I decided to break away from my tradition of writing, always writing in English. The title is pretty self-explanatory, and there's even the smallest spark, of hope that makes all the difference, because ultimately in the end that saves you. And Hope Ħakkiema tal-Lejl is my second collection of poems, my first being Confessions of a Burning Soul, which I published 2 years ago in July of 2018. And this time the poems are which I spent the last year and a half writing. They're in Maltese and Italian. The first part is I dedicated it to Maltese poems, and the second part are poems in Italian. So what's different about this book is that I wanted to bring a little bit of I wanted hope to take on, I wanted to bring hope to life, as a character. One of the primary themes in my overall writing is the duality of man. So, as I've said many times before, that I tend to humanize hope and attribute characteristics related to humans, symbolizing human frailty and also the limitations of us as humans, but also I attribute qualities to hope in my characters that symbolize hope that are synonymous with the divine. And the divine, is untouchable. And we as humans, we are not untouchable, most particularly because sometimes a lot of times we cannot control, the circumstances around us. We cannot, sometimes we cannot, because we say that we are sometimes we say that, no, karma or fate, it doesn't exist because we control our own destiny. Yes, but to an extent, because sometimes circumstances which we, like for instance, if we fail at something, if we flunk an exam, or don't get that particular job, or get laid off, or get a health scare, or but you know what, when I firmly believe that when we cannot change, what happens to us, but we can change our attitude. If we change our attitude towards our reaction towards what happens to us, then we are able more to deal with curveballs that life throws our way. Because I believe that ability inside of us, when we learn, when we teach ourselves to react, to be proactive and react to some unpleasant circumstance that is outside of our control, and react with a can-do attitude, with not necessarily positive, because we are only human after all, and if you receive upsetting news about a loved one, you're not going to be how happy I am, and I'm positive, no, things will turn out okay. Sometimes that, because that would be unrealistic. But the thing is that if we hold on to hope, that there always, we will always rise up, from whatever. If we fall down, the deep abyss, and we will always be able to rise up, from whatever situation. Because hope is what keeps us alive.